Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to send and receive cryptocurrency using the Trust Wallet. Now to send and receive cryptocurrency using the Trust Wallet, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go to log in into your Trust Wallet account and then type in your password, and when you've done that, you'll be taken to this page. So basically, to send cryptocurrency, you have to make sure that you already have a wallet address of the receiver. Similarly, to receive your crypto, you need to make sure that you've already sent your wallet address to the receiver. So when you are on the home page, you can see this option as send as well as receive. So it's a very simple process. Just all you have to do is make sure that you have enough funds and that you have already verified your account. And when you've actually done that, you can go ahead and send button in order to get started with sending cryptocurrency using your Trust Wallet. Here, go ahead and select the network that you wish to go with. And when you've selected the network, moving on to the next page, you just have to go ahead and paste in the wallet address of the receiver, enter in the exact amount that you wish to send, and then you can confirm the transaction. Similarly, to receive, you have to press the receive button, select the asset that you're receiving, paste, copy the wallet address, send it or transfer the wallet address to the sender, and he or she is going to be scanning this or typing your wallet address, and they will be able to send cryptocurrency using the Trust Wallet. So that is how you can send and receive cryptocurrency using Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.